Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, then please subscribe. In today's video, this is going to be a DIY candle making kit video. So this is going to be how you can make your own candles at home. I am not an expert at candle making, but this is a really kind of beginner friendly kit which I purchased on eBay. So first you will need your jar or container that you are going to be making your candles in. You will need your wax, and I have beeswax because this came in the kit, but for the future I will be using soy wax. You will also need your wicks and sustainer. These double-sided sticky stickers help the wick stick to the cup. This is the candle wick centering device. A wick trimmer, but you can use scissors if you prefer. The stainless steel pour pot with the mixing spoon. It's really important to have a clip-on metal dial thermometer to measure the temperature of the wax. You can also decide if you want to dye your wax with a colour and decide what fragrance oil you want to use for your candle scent. I have rose and sandalwood. So I'm first going to start with sticking my wick inside my pot, and you want to make sure that it's fully secure and stuck to the bottom of the jar. Then taking the candle wick centering device and placing it onto the cup just to make sure that the wick stands in the center. So taking my beeswax, I'm pouring about 1.5 to 2 bags full of 120 grams. Now the most important part of this is melting the wax, and you want to make sure that it is melted to around 80 degrees Celsius, and you don't want to overheat the wax. If the temperature goes above 85, it can discolor, so you want to make sure you check the wax temperature. I find that 75 degrees Celsius, which is 167 Fahrenheit, is the perfect temperature to then pour into your jug or cup. I'm then adding my dye into the mix and stirring it, and I'm going for like a light pink colour, and also I'm going to be going for a peachy colour, and then I'm adding in my essential oil. Then I'm pouring my wax mixture into my cup. Then you can use any kind of crystals, herbs, dried flowers, anything that you want to put into to decorate your candle. When you are decorating, you want to make sure that any flowers and that you use are not close to the wick. You want to make sure that they are around the candle and not too close to the wick. When decorating your candles, you want to make sure the temperature has cooled down, it's slightly tacky, so that you can just start adding in what you want to put inside the candle. I'm adding chamomile flowers, rose petals, dried orange slice, and a selenite crystal. Then I leave my candles to set overnight before I light them. So candles are a great way for relaxation, meditation, aromatherapy, and it just brings a kind of peaceful, homey feeling around you. Every candle contains all 4 elements. Air is oxygen, which feeds and fans the candle flame. Earth, which is solid wax, forms the body of the candle. Water is for melting the wax, which represents the fluid elemental state. And then finally fire, which is the flame that sparks and blazes. The colours that you choose for your candle is also great for intention setting. These are both my homemade candles. The other one has Palo Santo, sage and rosemary, which are my favourite herbs for calmness. So this is my candle making DIY tutorial for beginners. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and sending you so much love and light.